traders. We're having a wonderful Tuesday going into Wednesday. Some audio. It's tough, man. I think we're good. Yeah, hope you're having a wonderful Tuesday. And could be doing anything, but you're here. And for that, I'm quite grateful. Bitcoin, you know, it had its crazy move down right around that 1272. Has a nice bounce, $200+ move. And Bitcoin, we're just looking at the daily time scale right now. Okay, this is just the way I have the channel, the downsloping channel we've been in. Really anchor point 1, January 20th, anchor point 2, November 12th, right before we dumped, and then anchor point 3 and 4, March 28th, 30th, March 31st. Okay, why do I have those? It's like you'll say, what's up with that, man? Well, here's the reason. You're not going to get any more touch points than I'm going to get. It's perfect, man. All right, you're getting touch points of January 16th, March 16th, up here, February 20th, April 24th, you know, right here, May 3rd, couldn't sustain prices above it, broke below the heart line, ran up resistance, June, come on. Multiple times we at the bottom of the, the 25% trend line, resistance on the heart line, support on the heart line, then look, support, hard to see here, but it's perfect, man. All right, horizontal line supports way back here, horizontal line support from June of 2017, and support back from September 12th, 2017. Let's zoom in now. Okay, daily time scale. All right, so the equidistant channel that you would see on my 4-hour on my standard chart, the Coinbase chart, nothing wrong with this, right? Because we're within the parameters of the 75% trend line and the heart line. Okay, almost the same thing.
Hello, Mitch, love you, dude. Please, guys, don't talk about Apollo as my coin. Okay, is not a scam. Okay, I love you guys.
I don't know, sir.
Price gonna dip.
All right, Dave Towers, well, thanks for the $15 contribution, the Irwin coffee in the jar. Speaking of, history is being made right now, episode 305, mark it down. This is the first episode I've ever had where I'm not drinking coffee, but I am drinking tea. All right, I'm drinking black tea, and it is superb. Okay, got a little care package from Irwin Coffee with it. I don't know if they're gonna do more of it or not, but I'm drinking it right now, and I freaking love it. And I just, hey, look, dude, we're losing viewers, concurrent viewers. We're not getting subs. So why not change it up from coffee to tea? See if that works. Probably not, but at least I'm gonna enjoy myself with the experimentation of it. All right, so whatever, man. Okay. Anyway, downsloping channel, right? Whether you want to include the huge channel or just here and here. And I guess I can show you in a minute, but like I'm going to keep it on the daily real quick. Look, man, X to A, that's the impulse. Then A to B, from X to A, we retraced around 62% of the way, 60%, whatever, close enough. All right, we had a nice run up. Okay, had a lower high, retraced from, what was it? From A to B, we retraced 85% of the way, which is fine because that can be within the what is it? It can retrace really between the 382 and the 886, and then we sold off, and now we have finally hit. I'm talking looking at a daily time scale on Bitfinex, not Coinbase. I was just flabbergasted. Perfect, right? A 1.375 retrace from B to C. Okay. Where that can be between the 1272 and the 1618, right in the middle, very close to that 1414 fib extension. All right, and from X to A, the retrace 78% of the way. Dude, it's like perfect. Can you not see this right here? This wick, what it did, what it has done, and what did we do with this wick? We ran up and we bullishly engulfed, which I know, you get all kinds of bullish engulfing candles and stuff, but hey man, getting a bullish engulfing candle after making a 78% retrace of the bullish Gartley, where we've had this drawn, how long have we had this drawn, waiting and waiting and waiting? Maybe this could be it, but Only issue, right, the contradicting variables involved would really be us failing, unable to break above the 20-day and 50-day moving average. Let me get that out of here. All right, so just kind of spitballing here. Bitfinex looks a lot better than Coinbase. All right, a lot better when it comes to a daily time scale. Look, we've got from the lows to the, well, dang, dude. All right, it really just seems like some bullish convergence, but I mean, like, look, this was this low. All right, now we're showing lower lows than this low with lower levels of negative, or yeah, negative momentum. Really, from this low to this low, bullish convergence. Okay, so higher levels of relative strength on higher prices, higher lows. So look, man, this could be it. I would like to see, it would be phenomenal if it could be it, where we hit from B to C. That was the big thing griping me. I was looking for an entry of the 1414, 1375. That's pretty freaking close, man. So anyway, just wanted to bring that to your attention on a different chart, let you see a zoomed out view of Bitcoin. Nice, beautiful zoomed out view of Bitcoin, respecting the heart line so well. 75, 25%, all of it just being very well respected. Leaving out the crazy volatility, the great FOMO, and then the beautiful, beautiful bear trap, all right, where it was just, oh man, we're just going to zero, and popped, right? So when the normalization became, that's when we have everything kind of plotted. Okay, so that's it, man. Thanks again, Star Wars Worlds, dude. Yeah, don't make fun of Pundy or Apollo Connect, man. All right. But hey, Apollo Connect, I just showed y'all the SIFT, or the diffuser, T diffuser. It's a little Vet Moon Boy, all right, Vet Moon Boy, and his. I think I showed people, but like it's now real. Look, it's a capsule. It's like a space capsule, dude. What is it doing? Do you see the space capsule, the Sputnik capsule with the Vet Moon Boy? Okay. Hey, my God, I'm in space, man. So it just seems so perfect for this this stream. All right, here's Vet. That was Vet Moon Boy the other night, right? Blood Moon. But my first ever tea, I'm very honored to be experiencing it with you, the viewing audience. Gangs, all right. But as you know, look, man, stock market, it finally made its move down, right? Pretty rough, pretty quick, right? All right, so pretty much on Wall Street, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones all posted their biggest one-day percentage drops since January 3rd. Following that sharp drop in December, U.S. shares gained through much of January, three-week-long rally on meh volume, supported in part by expectations for a thaw in the U.S.-China trade tensions and a more dovish-sounding Federal Reserve. That also prompted global investors to plow into riskier assets. Who's going to be? Oh my God, really? Okay, but putting a dent on sentiment again was a report by the Financial Times that the Trump administration had rejected an offer from China for preparatory trade talks this week ahead of high-level negotiations scheduled for this week. All right. Data published over the last 24 hours has all pointed to a rough year ahead for the world economy. U.S. home sales tumbled 6.4% in December, falling short of the weakest forecast of their lowest in 3 years. Compared with a year earlier, they were down more than 10% for the first time since 2011. House price increases slowed sharply, adding to evidence of a further loss of momentum in the housing market. All right, so just global stuff, world stuff. All right, hey, if you're in Canada, man, it's important to you. Canadian factory sales and wholesale trade both slumped more than expected in November, while in Germany, a survey by the ZEW Research Institute showed morale among German investors improved slightly in January, but their assessment of the economy's current condition deteriorated to a 4-year low. All right, then we're looking, let's go to Japan. Japan's bringing PlayStations. Japan's exports and imports also fell short of market expectations, with exports posting their biggest fall in more than 2 years. Okay, yeah, the Bank of Japan has kept monetary policy easy and trimmed its inflation forecast. Today, literally today. The latest week indicators, all right, came in after the IMF trimmed its global growth forecast for 2019 and 2020 on Monday, and its second downgrade in 3 months, just after China reported its 2018 growth slipped to its worst level in nearly 3 decades since the 90s. All right. Good job, man. So there you go, man. That's kind of around the world. In commodities, the U.S. West Texas Intermediate, WTI, right? Crude futures dipped, small, for what is that, 2%, okay, per barrel after shedding 1.9% the previous day. All right, so continuing to sell off a little bit more, right? But that thing has turned around. WTI has reversed a little bit. We've got a little V after just incessant selling for quite some time. All right, so anyway, that's kind of your update. Since crypto's not doing too much, is it? So let's take a look at chat. I'm glad y'all are here again. Thanks to the 100 people here. It seems like we're getting less and less every single day. And whatever, man. What's up, P. Miller, Daring Nareen, Cyan Wolf, Rick Schmitz, Caught for Crypto, T for Crypto, right? Towers Worlds.
Apollo is not a scam. I know this, guys. If they try to scam me, I left. K them up, no one play with me. Please give Apollo a chance, please, love you guys.
Apollo Connect! Thanks so much, Star Wars World, man. Are you hearing that, chat? You better give Apollo Connect. You better give it a chance, man. Or to your butt. Thanks, dude, Star Wars Worlds. Really appreciate that, man. Love you, dude. Much friggin' love. Alright. Oh. Whoa. Got a little laggy for a second. The Apollo gods were not happy, I guess. Dude. PBT on the list, P. Miller, man. What's up, Dan Stylus? Scoured Xerox on the list. Good. What's up, Chaz Garcia? Love you too, man. What's up, Coach K? Ultra Institute, You didn't realize the bear stocks in crypto were shown in the bottom left and the bullish to the right of the screen until today. It's kind of new. I've only been doing it like a week or so, ever since I changed up my starting soon overlay, right? So it's pretty new. So I'll do a shot every time someone says inverse triangle, Dave Jones. Whoever says inverse triangle. Isn't an inverse triangle also still a triangle? So no need for inverse, right? What's up, Hector Santos, dudes? William Battles, what's shaking? EV just charged their sellers more for everything. That's how they do it. Dan Stalisman, we call that artificial growth. Okay, that is not organic growth. That is just a... I mean, restaurants do it. A lot of business and industries do it. Okay, they just all raise the rates together. And guess what? Your salary doesn't do that, really. Not much. Not to the extent of how many rates they have increased, right? For any kind of amenities or services. Okay. You like when I get tipsy, Dave Jones, man? Make me get tipsy then, dude. I don't really care, man. I've got beer in the fridge. What's up, Demetrios? Holy Ripple? Star Wars Worlds? Holy Mod City, Demetrios? Hey, dude, it's a tight-knit community. Okay, man? Sorry, this is not your Moon Boy channel. Alright, even though we have Vet Moon Boy, who's hilarious. Alright, but this is not your... Oh, man, I'm gonna Ice Poseidon channel. Dude, most of these people are in here, like, every day. Okay. Start fishing Fort Morgan, Alabama. Missed a partial entry by $6, right? It's just, yeah, man. It is literally $5 on mine. Okay, on the Coinbase chart. On Bitfinex, man, you can clearly see on the daily time scale. Perfect. 786 and 1.375. 137% retrace from B to C, right? So different on the Phoenix chart, man. What's up, Fizon King? Subi Hart. But surf fishing Fort Morgan, Alabama. Good to see you again, brother, man. What's up, One Man Army? Oh, there's Kang Logan, dude. Everybody clap. Isn't it this?
Please clap.
There it is, man. Mind manners, yes. No, it's not a pitchfork. Sorry, dude. We do not pitchfork peoples, alright. Price gonna dip. Alright, sorry, I'm behind. What's up, K, man? Thanks, Ferry Schuster. Appreciate the sub on the other account, man. Yeah, MF, of course, dude. You said it again. It's my Bama-looking logo. That's it, dude. Well, that'll be changing at least for a week or so when we do 80s theme. Okay. Hey, my some of my costume or equipment or whatever has come in for 80s week. Okay, it's gonna be a blast from the past. It's gonna be fun. Synthwave all week. All right. Dan Salas, all you drink is tea, really? You're British, man. Hey, dude, British people put half and half or creamer in their tea. Can somebody answer that? That's a full-blown Brit. Okay, a red coat.
Is that a joint?
Theta.
Can you check out Theta? Would you consider cup and handle? Also, they are going to be added to another exchange 24th and tradable on the 25th.
Thanks, Alonzo, man. Well, you know, if you're telling me about that, that means it's not, sorry, just lost my train of thought. It's not so much that it's news because you know about it and everyone else does, but maybe, just maybe, something, it could have a run leading up to that time and then dump when it gets listed. We've seen that time and time again, so that might mean it might be worth looking at. Well, yeah, dude, we'll look at Theta after Ripple, okay? But just getting through chat, looking at the daily of Bitcoin, why not, right? This is exactly what a Gartley is, man. Okay, and you know, we've been selling off for months now. Okay, so anyway, Anthony Rosano drank 8 cups of green tea today, but isn't green tea like O'Doyle's but for caffeine, right? There's not too much in it. Some would call it decaf, I think Coffee Crypto said. Green rules. How do Gartleys work, Demetrios? Shouldn't the fourth wave not enter wave 1 territory? Dude, they don't have anything to do with Elliott wave, but they're a form of that kind of theory, right? Where Elliott wave has its own thing, harmonics have their own, right? It's just a testament to predictable patterns and history repeating itself, all right? And geometry on the chart. All right, so thanks, name channel. Interesting name. The harmonics are separate, Demetrios. Travel to the year 3010, specific date to do battle with the Robot King and save the human race again. That's Star Wars World's job, okay? He deals with time travel, not me. Well, man, Army, well, hopefully you're relaxing now, man. Taking a load off, your shoes are off, and you're just belly breathing. Sorry, man. Just sifting through this chat, man. Trying to stay focused, all right? Had a long day. Yeah, Alonzo, yeah. Theta's on the list. I'm just behind. Trying to catch up. Okay, chat kind of picked up some. So what's up, Rami? Hopefully, Vincent, I mean, if you rewind, it talked about exactly what it is. Okay, so look, and if people want to see here, okay, if they want to see. I wish I could get, I need to make my own. I keep saying that, okay. Oh, hey, baby pips. We have a good source. But, dude, nothing's like zoomed in enough. I'm trying to find a better... All I need is a picture, man. That's like literally all I need. Okay, so... God, man, this is like stupid. Going to Google Images and it's like, they're just... Oh, this one looks okay. Come on, be a big picture, please. Here we go. There we have it. There we have it. All right, let's take a look. You see it here. Let's zoom in for you, chat. For your harmonic. Okay, this is a harmonic channel. Harmonic household. All right. Let's make it like... It's like the lightning strike. Whoa. All right, man. So you can see X to A is just an impulse, right? But then you retrace from X to A 62% of the way. All right, right around there, 60%. I mean, okay, 1% off, right? 1% off. The other pattern's a 50% max. So this is Gartley if it's going to be anything. Okay. And then when we finally retrace around 60% of the way, we run up and create C. Okay. And C from A to B is a retrace between 38% and 88.6%. Here you go, man. 85%. Really a little bit lower. Okay. There we go. And here's the thing about harmonics. You don't have to use wicks. Okay. I've read multiple sources saying you don't have to use wicks, but you can. But it's just like fibs. If you're going to use wicks, use the wicks with the wicks or the bodies with the bodies. All right. That's kind of the rule of harmonic plotting. So, we got it. We got an 84% retrace or 83, whatever, between 38% and 88.6%. All right. Then C to D. All right. So from B to C, right, you would fib from your low to high, and we would fall below B and run between the 1272 and the 1618. All right. In this situation, we ran 138%, right? Remember, it's 138%. Downward worlds.
Where is all my XRP army? Love you guys, please hit those likes, baby.
Star Wars Worlds, man. All world tonight, dude. Thank you so much, man, for the $15, the $15, and the $20, man. Thanks so much, man. I really appreciate that. You are kangs. Apado Connect, Tron Connect, Bundy Connect. Kangs, man. So, Star Wars Worlds, are you paying attention, dude, to the harmonic? Okay, so we've met the criteria from B to C fib extension. All right, but the big one that's very important as well, from X to A, you want to retrace 78% of the way. There's no in between here. This one's important, man. You can't have between 50 and 78. No, it's got to be 78%, right around the vicinity of a 78% retrace. All right, this is where we are right now. That's literally where we wicked, and so we could go lower, right around it. But you're not looking for an 88% retrace, a little bit lower, because that is the bat pattern, and normally the retrace on the bat pattern is between 38% and 50%, not 60%, 62%, all right? Do you get what I'm saying, man? It has met the criteria perfectly on a daily time scale. That is my case. That is my case for the bullish Gartley pattern. It's in the title. That's it, dude. Okay. Bradford, want to timestamp that one, man? Because that was pretty good for the patrons, I guess. Okay, dude. Get it, dude. Sorry, let me, man, we got news going on. We got harmonics, education. Dude, freaking love this stream. All right. Let's go to Ethereum. Take a look at it real quick. Who cares? Alright, Ethereum. Alright, man. Okay, what's it been doing? Nothing really. Okay, it's just been holding some support so well. December 28th, January 13th, yesterday, today, $114.16. We just can't break below it, man. Alright. It had a diamond pattern, it had a triangle, doesn't matter, measured move is exactly the same. But that's it, man. More of a diamond just because it had the touch points on the back end, right? So with that diamond, we got about halfway to our measured move around 105. We hit 110.45 and bounced and held above the horizontal line support. Bullishly engulfed, thank you Bitcoin. Struggled over and over and over to get above that 20 MA. We just can't, where is it, man? Where's the demand? A little bit of volume came in, but not really at all. There's very low volume, very low volatility right now on these bigger alts. Okay, but we know how that goes, man. It goes on long enough where the volatility lacks. People stop showing up to stream. People stop caring, and then we get a big move, and then 300 to 500 people start watching the stream, and that lasts for a little while, and then we start consolidating for an extended period of time. Then the same rinse and repeat, man. Rinse and repeat. Okay, so we're waiting for that. So I'm trying to get some more structure here. Bitcoin currently on the 4-hour is bearishly engulfing, but still trying to hold above that 20 moving average. I guess we can go back to that 4-hour chart. Okay, but whatever. We just kind of harped on it long enough. So anyway, you had bullish convergence from a low to a technical higher low on candle body closes. I mean, you have to like zoom in to really see it, but it's true, man. It's more like bullish convergence. So that would give us reason to believe we might hold the support with that kind of convergence, right? So that's it, man. Diamond broke out bearishly, but trying to hold just like Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin, remember, on Coinbase, 34, 26, 25, whatever, and the 1272 was at 34, 20. Good God. Just so close. Okay. So XRP. XRP, USD. Okay, man. So looking like a broadening bottom where we wicked down, got as low as 30.9 cents. Didn't quite hit that bottom trend line, so maybe it's a partial decline. Maybe the partial decline we're looking for. But what we're really looking for, in actuality, is this bottom trend line that we've touched time and time and time again. Okay, all the way back to July of 2017. There you have it. So we're waiting still. We're still waiting, but we got pretty freaking close to an 88% retrace, 30.5 cents. All right, so just let's see how long it lasts, right? How long can Bitcoin? I mean, is this the bottom for Bitcoin on that Gartley? If it is, you could expect higher prices on XRP as well, because when you analyze these altcoins or S coins, understand Bitcoin is going to dictate a lot of their price action, especially the US dollar pairs. All right, not so much, not as much the Bitcoin pairs. But clearly you got something going on, a little bit of down sloping, price contraction, falling wedge. All right, if we could get a nice entry at these areas, the tight stop, maybe, just maybe we'll run up. We'll hit this trend line the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th time. All right, and maybe we'll break it. 5th time's a charm, capo. But you get what I'm saying. Eventually, you would expect this to eventually break to the upside. Okay. From your low to high up here on the stupid wick, probably 88% retrace, right? Yeah, right below that 88% retrace. Okay, so yeah, man, that's sometimes an area where it goes, man, where it goes. Okay, that's it. Give me a sec. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. Theta. Oh no, I'm lagging a little bit on my other monitor. That sucks. Alright. Dang, it really sucks. So that range bound. Okay. Thanks, New Life Change, for the sub on YouTube. Appreciate it. Alright, so some could say, man, triangle, whatever. Is there really any structure with this stupid pump and dump that ran up to an 88% retrace? Give me a break, dude. Give me a break. So we would like to think more short term on Theta than longer term. This seems like a range bound asset. Okay, and there you go, man. I don't remember the last time we've looked at this crap, but it seems like every time we hit the 1522, we sell off. Every time, just like whenever this, what, a few days ago, same thing, you sold off. All right, but you just range bound. Entries 1161 or 1089 sats with an exit of 1500, right? So just buying areas, selling areas, buying areas, selling areas over and over and over again. All right, that's Theta, dude. That is just range bound, and you would, hey, there's nothing wrong with that. It's swing trader's paradise, range bound assets, charts. Okay, so we broke out of the downsloping channel, but no substance of any kind of movement besides being range bound on Theta. Set some bullish convergence on the higher lows. Look, higher low, you know, then you had a higher low here, but then you made the lower low than your previous low, but it's still higher than this low, and now you're making higher lows again, holding support pretty well at 1190, 1170, whatever. Okay, sats. So that's the best way to look at Theta, I think, just range bound. Would you really expect this thing? What does Theta do, right, Alonzo, man? doesn't do anything. Okay, it's Theta. It's a sorority. That's it, man. Sororities don't make, they make as much profit. You know what? Sororities actually make more profit than Theta. Go look at any kind of Theta, whatever sorority. That's one of the Greek letters. There's probably Theta something something, but they probably make more revenue every single semester than Theta coin. Okay. So that means it's great for trading. It can be great for trading. Looks like it's great for a range. Someone's been trading it. But to invest, different story, right? So, good way to look at this range move. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, man. What's up, Laszlo, man? Appreciate that, dude. Oh, cup and handle? No. Where's the rounding action? I don't... Cup with handle? Does anyone see a cup with handle? No, sir. Not at all. Not here. Chop, 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 chop. Look at this. Nah, man. Cup with handle specific. You have to have the signature rounding action. If I can't see it, if you can't see it... Chat, can you see a cup with handle here? This is unacceptable. The wickage, the ups, the downs like that, none of that. It can't be like that. It must be rounding Momo shift, okay? And then you get a 38% retrace, 50% retrace. And that is your cup with handle, okay? Also refer to my mug, cup with handle, but no rounding action, no real rounding action, so invalid cup with handle. All right. And then, what do you do with the cup with handle? I don't even know, man. I know we've talked about it once or twice, but okay. So you see the neckline of the cup with handle? Boom, right there. How do you measure if we broke out bullishly of a cup with handle? Easy, man, easy. There it is, dude. There it frickin' is. That's your measured move of a cup with handle. That's how you get it. Okay, from the bottom of the cup, from the neckline to the breakout. And that's it. And that's like a target. That's a way you can target. Okay? So you would expect maybe price action to break to the upside and then eventually hit the target. Alright, cup with handle. Kings. Theta, baby. Not so cuppy at all. Alright. Anyway. Excuse me, let me, Where was the plunge protection team today? They didn't intervene? Yeah, man. Well, we were waiting for it. We were waiting for it to end, dude. Okay. It was just in between that 786, 618, gapped up, abandoned baby daily, right? What's up, DJ Barrios? What up, bro? I remember. What's up, who knew? What's up, Derek on Fire? Thanks, man, for the winter slump motivational words, right? That's what it is. You call downward triangles triforces, Verkus Games, man. It's called Bulkowski. He might, let's see if he can sanction that for us. We can get a trademark on it. Okay, Verkus Games, man. Go. Do it. What's up, Crypto Toyga, man? I appreciate it, man. But definitely not going to use the G word, man, because I'm totally not that. Alright, man. Growth is a tough variable sometimes. Love you too, God, Crypto, man. Exposed, you were 8th. I think you're a little late, Exposed, man. Should we start the stream over for Exposed, man? McAfee might end up eating his own. Yeah, right. Oh yeah, like he tells the truth. Okay, he's a man of integrity, McCabe. John McCabe's a man of integrity, right? He's so known for it, dude, right? That's like his signature, is integrity and telling the truth about everything, right? I thought. Can someone, like, correct me if I'm wrong? Should I just do it just for the sake of, wow, we haven't done it in a while? All right, there it is. There it is. Wow. Is creamer like a powder? No, it's like milk from a cow. Okay, man. Nutella in your knee, in your knee. No, not in your knee, in your tea. We like bullish engulfing candles in our knees, all right? Because we used to be adventurers like you. Okay, William Battle says, gotta have milk and sugar in the tea. Gonna make some Earl Grey. Earl K. What's up, Nuck Man? Crypto Kitties, I don't think that even exists on TradingView. Okay, dude. We're just looking at some measure move stuff. Okay. But hey, y'all like my drawing skills have gotten a lot better, man. You know, just drawing the simple little blah. Okay, I used to be bad at it, but gotten a little better. Okay, just reading chat, man. I think we've had, look, dude, we've had a pretty good stream so far, and we're only 45 minutes into this, okay? Sure thing, Vincent, man. What are y'all talking about? Okay, okay, here we go. We're going political, y'all. Are y'all going this route? Please don't. Please no. Scaring your Bitcoin shorts, Bitcoin buyer. Well, look, man, it's not me. Again, it's not like I'm literally like, okay, if this market pumps or dumps, it's all on me, dude. I'm not controlling it. I'm just showing you I just showed you a literal pattern, and then I just showed you the textbook. Every single leg of it, we've met the criteria, right? So, and really, like, a bullish Gartley doesn't have to go to the moon. We can go to 38% retrace, 50% retrace, 62% retrace, or the top of the pattern. All right. So, XRP Army present, Carolina Crypto. Thanks for tuning in, XRP Army. Okay. Y'all are some of the only crypto participants left in this market, this almost dead market, okay? What's up, Dirty Fergie? Tigers in crypto? Please explain. Yes, please, Crypto Tiger. I don't understand. Sure thing, Rami. 88, Tim? Sure, man. Put it on the list. We're about to look at ZRX again. We're going to check on it. It hasn't really done much. I think it popped a little bit, right? Okay. Yeah, man. I think, was it One Man Army Scoured? Talking about a 50% retrace, I'm sure from a high to low, 50%, right? The zoomed in stuff, right? But look, man, you can fib from the top, okay, of the channel we broke out of, or you can just fib from the top of the wedge, which would be conservative and prudent and would not be wrong, okay? So you did that, right? Just, here's your swing high of the pattern. You're looking for a target, 9104, 9480, right? Those are your two targets of a wedge, right? Your 50% and your 618, your golden retrace, okay? Well, you've got the measure move that could happen, and that's an 88.6% retrace, or a little bit more. It's really like a 90 to 93% retrace from your high to low, okay, on ZRX. But yeah, let's zoom in for you, dude. Let's zoom in. So we broke out the down sloping resistance and just floating along using the area that was once resistance as support. And we're not making, we're making lower highs than our previous highs, right? Hopefully, oh, and maybe you're talking about a 50% retrace from the bottom to top. Well, low to high. Here, no, because from the low to high, we had a golden retrace, 70 to 69. So, once we hit that, though, what happened? Common retrace, popped to the upside, but made a lower high than your previous high. All right, so, but let's see here. Let's see about the high to low. High to low. Yep, you hit the 81.43 perfectly. Tweezer double top. understandable. But look, you're still above the 20 and 50 MAs right now, but still below the 200. And you can see that's exactly on this rally, on this move up. This is the extreme levels of resistance. We use the 200 MA as a resistance all the freaking time across all markets. Okay. So when will we break these chains? The 200 looms closer and closer and closer to these faster MAs. Eventually, maybe we'll get some clean break, and then we'll get that golden cross we've been looking for, and then we can look for our targets for this nice little trade setup. Okay. So that's it, man, on ZRX. I plotted these from on the daily, not the 4 hour, like the anchor points. So it lines up pretty well here. Okay, man. There's your ZRX. Whatever, dude. Derek on Fire, Nano, you say is the best, but it's funny how crypto has turned into like a sports team favoritism. Yeah, it's like politics now, man. Dude, my team's better than your team, dude. Well, do you care about the policies or the stats or anything like? No, dude, nah. I'm all in on my team. So, but John Legend, dude. There you go, dude.
Measured from the previous swing high.
Thanks, Coward Man, for the 512 contribution. Look at that pass interference, no call. What a joke, dude. Thanks, man. Who dat? John Legend, that's 3 hays, man. Hay is for horses, all right? Moon boots, no moon boots, Brian. Everyone stay calm. Stay calm. You know, I mean, it's all good, John Legend. I mean, I don't even know the metrics, right? Like what's good, what's bad anymore. Okay. Hey, Pablo, dude. Marcos, you want some vet, man? All right. We'll get some vet. All right, we'll look at it after ADA. What's up, Emma B? Sorry, just getting through chat. Okay. So we do charts, we analyze charts, we sometimes do education, we make memes, we manufacture memes, and then we engage with chat. That's what we do, alright? Well, William Battle's talking about teleportation and not supernatural abilities. What in the world? Oh my god, man. Sure thing, Alonzo, man. Thanks for being here, dude. Thanks for the contribution. Means everything. Oh my god, man. Okay. The chalice without a handle. What is the measure move? I don't think there would be a measure move. A chalice without a handle, dude. That's a good question. Because I don't think there's a Bulkowski pattern for that. Maybe we could make one. Kang Logan, dude. Hey, J-Talks Crypto Dudes. APDUP. Downward Worlds. Yeah, McAfee 2020. Yeah, right. What's up, Brandon Green? You're glad to be here. I'm glad you're here, dude. All is well with me. I hope it is well with you, too, man. All right. What's up, Eternal? All right. We're just, man, chat's pretty lit tonight, okay? Despite our numbers just being down. Yep, S&P 500 broke out of the wedge. Yeah, sorry, I was thinking about Rune Slayer, and I was saying wedge. You think it's a false breakout, Rune Slayer? We can look at the SPX. I'll list for you, dude. How about that? Dude, I need to get some candles in here, some vanilla candles. I used to do that back in college, man. When I was studying, it was always good. Best gift, North America, John Legend. Pretty much, man. The earth is flat. Okay. 3 dislikes, Wald Magello. Come on, man. It's the same person every night. Okay. Just like we have that Jimbo guy, like guy literally was a troll, got banned like 6 months ago. He like literally comes in to just sub and unsub just to trigger the Jesus chimes. And it's like, who has time to do that, man? Like, what are they doing with their lives? It's so weird. It's like, oh, the voids in people's lives. It's so sad, man. All right. Anyway, let's go to, we got to go to PPT for P. Miller, man. All right. Give me a sec. Whoa. Sorry. Wrong chart. Wrong thing. Wow. P. Miller, man, this is about it, dude. All right. Just got anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 and a billion up here, and then just another one and another one. You're clearly respecting this downslipping resistance, right? With the anchor points at the bottom, right? So, going sideways, little double bottom action, it looks like. There's an Adam and Eve double bottom, too. But really, here we are, man. You've got a horizontal line support and a down slipping resistance, price contraction, P. Miller. We're getting ready to make a big move one way or another. Okay, one way or another. Let me go to the daily real quick on this and see a discernible swing high. Jeez. Dude, P. Miller, man, this thing's weird. All right. I mean, you try to think that there might be a falling wedge, but dude, what's up with the wickage, dude? The wickage. Okay, but like, dude, conservatively, man, I mean, look at the move down, and then we just have a new angle, right? Down slipping price action. So, I mean, you can clearly see on the daily, this is a swing high. Okay, but you can also see this is a swing high. All right, so when in doubt, I don't know, man. Probably this one. But look, we're looking at the channel, when the channel started. So I'd like to go with when the channel started to fib. So from your high to low, if PPT could break to the upside, I know the 200 is moving, the 200-day moving average looms. All right, but if we could break this, hey man, P. Miller is pretty good, man. It's actually pretty freaking good. I like it, man. All right, low risk, no matter what you say. No matter what anyone can say about this S coin, this is in a low risk situation, okay, where we could run to 74.80 sats if we're lucky, if the trade didn't fail, and if it failed, who cares? Well, because we have stops. I'm looking for the. It's so simple enough, man. You can go as tight as you freaking want, dude, because there's like no support left. Okay, like it's just like you get stopped out. Who cares, man? All right, you can be a little loose if you want, but dude, okay, is it gonna really use this fat finger back from June when we went from 14,000 and change all the way down to 1,800 before coming back up? Screw that wig. All right, just look at this support right here, manufacturer support. You could have a target, 382, 4.88 to 1 reward to risk, and then we've got pretty simple there. And then here's your secondary targets. So I try to make these perfect. Sometimes it just doesn't work out, man. It's tough. It's tough to like make them perfect. See, it's like I'm trying, man. That's 25. Oh my god. Close. See, I can get 25.09. Okay, that's good enough. All right, that's it, dude. It's like your first target, second target. There you go, P. Miller, man. All right. Okay, what's going on, dude? Daily bullish divergence, 4-hour bullish divergence. Now we have some convergence going on. All right, P. Miller, man. So not bad, dude. Not freaking bad. S coins unite. Got anything going on in the MACD? Probably. This is a daily time scale. All right, so yeah, here we go, man. Here we go. Bullish divergence. There it is, man. Okay, so we got all the makings of a varsity athlete. Okay. I don't think anyone knew that pop culture reference I was talking about last night. What is it? Where's it from? All right, where's it from? P. Miller, take heed of this and be king. We do. Nice little nice request, dude. It might turn into something. Who knows? All right. Good job. Sweet, man. We'll just give you one, okay? We'll give you one. So that's it, dude. Sorry, missed some chat. Just gonna catch up because why not? Been live for 1 hour now, and guess what? You're local on the 8s. Okay, sweet. Thanks for the 140 people tuned in. Really appreciate y'all. Okay, hit the like button if you want to see fireworks. If not, it's whatever, man. Doesn't really matter. Go to pick one on Coinbase, whatever. Get a more zoomed in view, not so much the daily like we saw at the beginning of the stream. Here's that Gartley again. See here, right here, for the Coinbase chart, we had a 73% retrace, not 78 like Bitfinex, right? But anyway, I mean, you had the rising wedge, you broke up bearishly, measure move, you were close, you were like 50 bucks off your measure move of this pattern. Great, good for you. Had to get rid of it, just get too much stuff. This was your entry for the Gartley. We got $5-6 off, like surf fishing for Morgan, Alabama. He was close, dude. I mean, he was that close sometimes with this crazy wick, man. It's hard to get in on that stuff, right? So anyway, we're back up 35.75 from your high to low. We have retraced 23% of the way. 35.84. But really, I mean, that's the Gartley. That's the way you would, that's how you would do your retrace, okay? Another thing about the Gartley pattern, right? The Gartley. From C to your D, that is how you'd fit from the high to low. 38%, 60%, 1272. All right? We didn't go over that, so whatever. Timestamp that, Bradford, or something. But anyway, yeah, I mean, too much volatility, no substance of any kind of flag, dude. It's like wicks on both sides. Can't break above the 50 moving average. Use it as resistance, rejected it. Now we're bouncing off the 20 MA. All right, not just crazy, like low volume, just volatility, okay? What's up, Mobius, dude? My fellow statesman. Sorry, there's a lot of he's in here, okay? He's and it's. A lot of vague pronouns. I know there's a good conversation that it's awesome, dude. What's up, Tom H? What's up, John Lauro, dude? Good to see you, brother man. Local on the lates. No, Bradford. We were definitely on time. Okay, definitely on time that time. Contacts are starting to hurt now. Holy crap, man. 19 more likes. Oh my god. Times are tough. Holy crap. Okay, so that's it, dude. Your 4-hour rising wedge measure move was close to being hit, but not quite, just off a little bit. It's fine. I think the measure move was like 33.84 area, just like the 1414 was down in that area too. So close, but no cigar. It's a huge rejection down here. Just couldn't sell off.
Is that a joint?
Alabama basketball big upset of Ole Miss tonight. Roll Tide.
Roll Tide. Hey man, earlier, you know, like in the season, Bama beat Kentucky. First time in 10 games. First time in like 6 years, man. This Bama team's performing better than they have in a long time. So good to see that. Thanks so much, Slamma Jamma, Yellow Hammer, give 'em hell, Alabama. Roll Tide. Thanks, dude. Anyway, So there you go. Look, these two trend lines, right? 100%, 0%. These trend lines. Let me try to go to the other one. See, I don't know if I have the other one saved though. All right, I can do this. I can do this, man. It's pretty much kind of like, it's very similar. Okay, so you see this equidistant channel. This equidistant channel is right here, the 75% trend line and the heart line of the much, much larger downsloping channel. Get it? So it all makes sense, right? We're just using our channels, utilizing it differently. Okay, there you go, man. Shorter time scale, zoomed in. Okay, you can zoom in, zoom out, whatever. It all kind of makes sense. Anyway, do we need to go to Ethereum? I don't know, man. Like, whatever, dude. No one cares about Ethereum anyway. Ethereum's like on Jingle All the Way. It's like Booster. Okay, no one cares about Booster. Yeah. You didn't even see that movie, man? Oh my god. Here we go, 88. All right, broke the down sloping channel, right? We broke out like king. Then, like, we just sold off a little bit more, right? Then we just had this other down sloping angle, right? This channel, man, very, very well respected. From top to bottom to heart line, just wonderful. Okay, we broke out of it, up sloping channel now, right? Crack that resistance, that's great. And really, when you break channels like this, your target is really the top of it, right? The top of the downsloping trend line, which is up here around the 382, which is 1503, which makes perfect sense because that is from your major swing high from July to a swing low, your first common retrace, right? So we're struggling to 236 just like Tron, exactly like Tron. We break them in, you're looking for 1503, but there's still overhead resistance, these horizontal lines that we have plotted here. Okay, but we're looking for that target at 1503. After that, then yeah, maybe we could talk about maybe we're going the Dow's theory, hitting 50% retrace after the impulse down, right? 1709, and then you got golden retrace, which also could be a target at 1914. Each one of these fib nodes, we're looking to see price action reversal to the downside. So this is like fib nodes, man. That's what fibs are for. It's like, will we go up here, hit it, sell off, or will we run up, hit the 50%, sell off, will we hit the 618, and sell off, right? That's what you're looking for. That's what we call the common retrace zone. That's why you use fibs, because they give us indication of where there might be a potential reversal. All right? Okay, man. Okay. Anyway. All right, just drank my last sip of coffee. It's a historical stream. Okay, first tea I've ever had, man. Thanks, Bradford, man. Someone offers you power for free. That is exactly what you will get. Nothing. Kings. Well, yeah, man, because like no matter what you do, like no one's gonna give it. No one can give it to you because they'll give you something, but you have to continue investing in yourself to get it all. Right? What's up, Coin Savvy? Good to see you, dude. Sorry, let me turn this up. But we're back. We're back. What an interesting conversation y'all are having. Okay, I was scrolling through it, and that's about it. Fossil fuel. I don't know, man. Irony, plastic dinosaurs. Where's Crypto Dinosaur, man? I missed that guy. Okay. VeChain doing things. All right, let's go to VeChain. That was for Tim. Tim, man, hope you're having a wonderful night, and hope that helps somewhat. All right, okay. VeChain, let's do it, man. Cue it, cue it.
VeChain doing things.
And there it is, man. The day stream, we talked about this 127 resistance, range bound crap. Okay, man. Reversed. We were outside, but we said, dude, this is a high risk area. You have extremely high resistance points up at 127, and now we're back inside this descending triangle. High risk up here. Wonderful areas for short positions. I don't know if you can really short bet. You might be able to on certain exchanges, but too high, too fast on a breakout on high volume, but you barely broke out. All right. You normally want to creep up to these resistance points and then break out on high volume. Then you have plenty of room to run on your oscillators, where we were double topping, right? Class B, bearish divergence, high on price, higher high on price, the same area of strength as Class B bearish divergence. All right, so congrats on VeChain going up, but we're range bound, dude. I'm just off just a little bit. It's really like that. So between 102 and 127. All right. All right, low risk down here at 102. See if we can wait for it to come to us. Nice double bottom. Adam and Eve double bottom. Really, it looks like, right? The Eve and the V and the U. That gives you that's what an Adam and Eve is, right? Your Adam, the V, and then your U for the Eve. Okay. You can have Adam and Adam, Eve and Adam, Eve and Eve, whatever. You know, there's a combination of different ones. Okay, so anyway, it was a potential double bottom because the neckline is the pinnacle, right? That gives us the discernible different bottoms, which was up here at 127 sats. What we do, we ran up and hit it and rejected prices higher than that. Now, of course, it may, maybe we run down, retrace 50% from a low to high or something, and then we break to the upside and then break out of that 127, and then we could talk about a measure move. Measure move is going to put you around the 236, 142 or something, right? I mean, somewhere around there. Easy, man. There's your double bottom. Measure move from the breakout. That puts you above. Yeah, it puts you right around 147 if it was to play out. But dude, it did not play out. We did not break that neckline. So back inside the descending triangle, down sloping, but you have the overhead resistance at 127. Whatever. Nice, Skyward, man. Stored 25% of your gains in cold storage. Boom, Skyward. Boom, Kangs, dude. Bet is in Venezuela. High risk area. Yeah, that's it, Kang Logan. Get wrecked, dude. We need the VeChain chime first, Emma. I guess so, right? Okay, man. Anyway.
VeChain doing things.
Alright, let's go to Spider. I love the no lag. I don't know, man. Yeah, there's a wedge, I guess. You know. Hold on. Dude, how lit would it be if it played out? Dow Jones had a bearish type of pattern. Anyway, I mean, I guess it could be the same here, right? Anyway, let's go to daily. Sorry, man, I'm getting crossed here. Yeah, we filled a gap on the S&P 500. Nothing like the Qs. Qs was a great reversal. This, not so much. I mean, there's not really a reversal. It's just a gap fill, bouncing off the 50-day moving average. tremendous green every day for over a week. All right. Volume stayed mediocre. All right, but we have a descending, broadening wedge pattern. We never quite got to that resistance point around 2687. It all ended, well, for now, 2675. So wedge-wise, man, that's hard to see a wedge. It looks more of a wedge, like a rising wedge on the Qs than it does on the S&P 500. But I get it, man. Yeah, you get some price contraction. See, that's tough, man, because that's like, I don't know, man. I'll show you what it really looks like, dude. The real wedge, the Qs. Here's your nice looking wedge. So yeah, two up sloping, converging trend lines with the candles within them. And it all changed when we had a 3 candle reversal called the abandoned baby reversal, okay, where you have a green candle, you gap up on the next day, and then the day after that you gap back down. Okay, it's abandoned baby reversal, bouncing off the 50-day moving average just like the S&P 500, and we are outside of that rising wedge. The volume picked up. It matched the day before, right? Trading day before. So holding on to tons of positive momentum. Man, you had, you guess, swing high wasn't really established, right? Not really. I mean, look, you can see we had higher prices. We did have higher prices with lower levels of positive momentum. So that was real. Didn't get it on the RSI, just the MACD. Man, my throat's like drying up and stuff. I don't even have water up here. I'm screwed, man. I'm screwed. Anyway, we'll see if this will be an intraday sell-off. We had 3 weeks of a rally. 3-week-long rally, retraced almost 78% of the way from our previous high. That's a deep retrace, man. We're trending down. You can clearly see the downtrend on stock market right now. Okay. That's it, dude. Can we get 100 likes? Thanks to the 124 people still here. Holy crap, I can't believe we even have 124 people watching. What King Logan said, Yellowstone is the largest volcano in the world. It's a super volcano, right? It just mostly subsurface. There you go. If it erupts, the whole world's screwed. Yep. All we do is live our best lives. Yeah, have you not seen the movie 2012, King Logan? Dude, come on, man. But somehow they survived.
Descending broadening wedge on Digibytes monthly. Please clap.
Please clap.
Hey, Kush Blunts, man. Thanks for the 333 repeating, of course. I don't know, man. I don't know. Jeez, man, it's holding that. It's definitely using that resistance. So you said on the monthly. No, probably not, man. You normally don't see descending broadening wedges on the monthly chart. Jeez, man, I don't really look at monthlies for crypto. There's just not enough historical data at all. I mean, nah, not really. What about the stupid wick that goes all the way up to 2,700 sats, dude? I mean, I'll look at like the weekly or something. It's probably gonna make more sense. All right, we'll just go to the weekly. Sorry. Here's your here's the downtrend, man. All right. On the weekly, we're approaching that 200-week moving average near that 243 sat area. I think it's like 213. Okay. below the 20 and 50 week moving average, in a clear downtrend, lower highs every time, but hey, higher lows. Excuse me. But we can't do anything with these swing lows, because if you did anything, you clearly broke that upsloping little trend line. Sorry, it's been cracked. So the prevailing downtrend continues. That's what we have it charted. All right, but just overwhelming respect. And I wish I could do this on everyone. It would just take too much time. Okay, why I use anchor points the way I do, because of the overwhelming respect we're getting inside the parameters of this equidistant channel or any other equidistant channel. All right, so, but yeah, hitting a critical support, right? DGB critical support. This is March 18th, 19th. Remember Bloody Sunday day? You know, and then that was a Sunday, and then the Saturday was St. Patrick's Day. Oh my God, y'all remember that? Bloodbath. Here we are holding this same horizontal line support at 243. Will it hold? I mean, there's not really any support besides this one. Really, right over here, man, you're looking down at like 142 sats. That's another decently strong support on the weekly time scale. Very, very strong. I mean, 148. What is it? Yeah, 148. My God, man, that's a powerful support. I wonder if we can get down there again at some point. Let's go to the daily. Mr. Kush Blunts, man. Descending broadening wedge. I don't think so, man. Okay. But anyway, look how well we're respecting this 75% trend line, man. We just can't break it, dude. We can't break it. All right. Bounced the lower high than your previous high. But hey, higher lows now. Maybe, just maybe, we might have ourselves, right? Finding support. Look, we're running out of room. You know DGB's about to pop the upside or downside soon. Why? Because the downside resistance too well respected. And here you go, man. You're holding some support. You're either going down to 243 real quick, or you're about to bust out to the upside. Okay, but here's the problem, man. You got a lot of resistance above you, man. In a no-volume, scrubby sentiment market, how is DGB gonna really do things? It's tough, man. It's tough. Really tough. Okay, so that's your DGB. Okay, you know, you had bullish divergence. We had that on both oscillators. Really here though, man, like you didn't. I mean, but on the RSI it looked good, and then we bounced, but we're not making higher highs. Okay, so crack this, set an alert up. 278, 280, add an alert. There you go, Kushman. And we haven't changed that equidistant channel in like 2 months, and it's just so well respected. Okay. Do I think? I don't think. I just analyze, right? I just analyze the chart, and again, stemming back to Bitcoin, all I see right now is a perfect bullish Gartley pattern where it gives me reason to believe we could break to the upside. Okay, we've made the 78.6% retrace on this chart, and when you do that, that does mean we can go to the upside, yes. At least temporarily. At least temporarily. What's up, Wolf of Worcester, man? Good to see you, dude. That's right, dude. Vincent, man. Hey, we got 100 likes. Thank y'all so much for the 100 likes, man. In these trying, troubling times of low volatility, low market sentiment, low everything. Everyone's quit crypto. All right. Yeah, it's been a pretty epic chat tonight. That's right, Crypto Tiger, man. Thank y'all for all the participation, man. Y'all are the lifeblood of this stream. Okay, not me. we to the moon yet, Zombie Man? Not yet, dude. Okay, not yet. Stop oppressing Mr. Cantoma, man. Chat. King Logan, leave him alone. Leave Britney alone. Good God. Anyway, whoa, what just happened? Oh boy. Sorry, I can't talk about stuff, alright? Crypto Tiger, nobody makes me bleed my own blood. Alright. Judge by the content of your character, Crypto Carter, right? MLK, yesterday. Alright. Well, chat, I've been live for an hour, 23 minutes now, okay? It's been a fun stream. We've looked at good amount of coins or assets, right? We've talked about news. We've done education. My God, man. What else is there to a technical analysis stream besides entertainment, news, education, and coin request, asset request, right? Nothing, man. Nothing. Except some beers. Maybe we'll do that when the market sentiment turns around. But for now, it's blah. So, thank y'all so much, right, for the likes, the support, the love, the a couple new subs. Means everything, okay? So I'll be back tomorrow. So until next time, respect the TA.